names remain hidden, their sacrifices known only to a few. Among them was a man whose courage defied borders and whose loyalty to his nation cost him everything. His name was Ravindra Kaushik. To the world, he was an ordinary man. To India, he was the Black Tiger, one of the greatest spies the country has ever known. Born in 1952 in Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan, Ravindra grew up in a modest household. Like many young men, he dreamed of serving his country. But instead of wearing a soldier's uniform, fate had other plans. His sharp intellect, ability to adapt, and natural charisma caught the attention of India's intelligence agency, RAW, the Research and Analysis Wing. In every nation, there are silent forces working behind the scenes, gathering secrets, stopping threats, and protecting millions, without anyone knowing their names. For India, that force is RAW, the Research and Analysis Wing. RAW is India's foreign intelligence agency, created in 1968 after the Indochina and Indo-Pakistan wars. Unlike local police or the military, RAW doesn't wear uniforms. Their work happens in the shadows, collecting intelligence on foreign governments, monitoring terrorist activities, intercepting communications, and sometimes running covert missions in other countries. RAW mainly focuses on foreign intelligence, meaning their operations are usually outside India. RAW is one of several powerful intelligence organizations operating globally. Here are some of the most famous ones: RAW, KGB, CIA, MI6, ISI. These agencies rarely appear in the headlines, but their actions often shape world events, from wars and peace talks to preventing terrorist attacks. By the mid-1970s, RAW saw in him the perfect candidate for one of its most dangerous operations. He was recruited, trained in espionage, survival, and most importantly, in the art of becoming someone else entirely. His mission was clear yet perilous: infiltrate Pakistan, a nation locked in hostility with India, and rise within its system to provide critical intelligence. Under a new identity, he became Nabi Ahmed Shakir, a young man of Pakistani origin. To perfect his cover, he studied Islam, learned Urdu in its local dialects, and mastered the cultural nuances of life across the border. When his training was complete, Ravindra ceased to exist. Only Nabi Ahmed remained. In 1975, Kaushik crossed into Pakistan. He was not just a visitor, he was stepping into a life he could never escape from. Over the years, he built a new identity from the ground up. He earned admission into Karachi University, studied law, and soon joined the Pakistan Army. Within a few years, he rose to the rank of a major, an unimaginable achievement for an undercover agent. Behind the uniform, every salute he gave, every meeting he attended, carried an invisible burden. He was India's silent guardian. The information he transmitted back to RAW was invaluable. Details of military strategies, deployment, and political secrets. It is said that the intelligence he provided saved countless Indian lives during times of conflict. But no spy story lasts forever without danger. In 1983, RAW sent another operative, Inayat Masiha, into Pakistan. His mission was to re-establish contact with Ravindra, but Inayat's cover was blown. Captured and tortured, he revealed Ravindra's identity. Overnight, the hunter became the hunted. Kaushik was arrested by Pakistani intelligence. For the man who had lived two lives, the mask was finally torn away. Tortured for months, Ravindra endured unspeakable pain, but refused to betray his country. He was sentenced to life imprisonment. From the shining halls of military power, he was thrown into the darkness of Multan and later Mianwali jail cells. Letters he managed to send to his family told a story of despair, of being abandoned by the very nation he served. He longed to return, to breathe free air, to see his loved ones. But destiny was merciless. In 2001, after 18 years in prison, Ravindra Kaushik died in captivity. He was only 49 years old. His body was never returned to India, yet his legacy endures. Ravindra Kaushik was more than a spy. He was a man who lived and died for his country, knowing his name might never be celebrated, his face never remembered. Raw gave him a title that remains etched in history, the Black Tiger. He was a son, a soldier without a uniform, and a silent hero who proved that true patriotism sometimes means walking into the enemy's heart, never to return.